Good morning. In this opportunity, I will present why it is raining raindrops. What is rain? Rain is liquid water in the form of droplets that have condensed from atmospheric water vapor and become heavy to fall under gravity. Rain is a major component of the water cycle and is responsible for the storing most of the fresh water on the earth. This provides conditions that are suitable for many types of ecosystems, as well as water are hydroelectric power and plant irrigation. There are three processes that occur during rain. First, evaporation. Second, condensation. And the final, precipitation. I will start with evaporation. What is evaporation? Okay, listen to me. Okay. Evaporation is a process when the water changes to the water vapor with the help of sunlight. Then the vapor goes up to the atmosphere. Evaporation occurs to high temperature or usually during the day. The second, condensation. What is condensation? Okay, let we see. Okay. Condensation is the process where water vapor becomes liquid. It is the reverse of evaporation, where liquid water becomes a vapor. Condensation happens one of two ways. Either the water is cooled to its dew point or it becomes so saturated with water vapor that it cannot hold any more water. In the process of condensation, clouds form. Then clouds are carried away by the wind and join with other clouds, and clouds form larger and contain more water. Okay everyone, look at this picture. This is the process of condensation. Water vapor becomes liquid and forms clouds. However, when clouds are gray, not white, because of their thickness or height, namely, the clouds becomes thicker and denser and it collects more water droplets and ice crystal. Coalescence occurs when water droplets fuse to create larger water droplets. Air resistance typically causes the water droplets in a cloud to remain stationary. When air turbulence occurs, water droplets climb, producing larger droplets. As these larger water droplets descend, coalescence continues. So, that drops become heavy enough to overcome air resistance and fall as rain. Coalescence generally happens most often in clouds above freezing, and is also known as the warm rain process. In clouds below freezing, when ice crystals gain enough mass, they begin to fall. This generally requires more mass than coalescence when occurring between the crystal and neighboring water droplets. In addition, because of the great temperature difference between these ice crystals may melt as they fall and become rain. Raindrops have size ranging from 0.1 to 9 millimeters, means diameter, above which they tend to break up. Smaller drops are called cloud droplets, and their shape is spherical. As a raindrop increases in size, its shape becomes more oblate, with the slingest cross-section facing the oncoming airflow. Large raindrops become increasingly flattened on the bottom, like hamburger buns. Very larger ones are shaped like parachutes. The biggest raindrops on Earth were recorded over Brazil and the Marshall Islands in 2004. The last is precipitation. What is precipitation? Okay, let me see. Okay. Precipitation is any product of condensation of atmospheric water vapor that falls under gravity. The main form of precipitation include drizzle, rain, snowfall, snow, and hail. Precipitation, especially rain, has a dramatic effect on agriculture. All plants need at least some water to survive. Therefore, rain is important to agriculture. While a regular rain pattern is usually vital to healthy plants, too much or too little rainfall can be harmful, even devastating to crops. While tropical plants may need 200 of inches of rain for a year to survive. Okay, that's the presentation I've explained. Anybody have question? Raise your hand. Okay? No? Okay, thank you and see you.